discharge cargo, safe handling of cargo pumps. As the oil level in the cargo tank reduces with the progress of discharging operation, pump suction pressure and delivery pressure will reduce. Steam chest pressure of the pump turbine will also be reduced. As a result, pump discharging rate will decrease, even though pump revolution is increased. It is essential to monitor the changes in these factors through the discharging operation, and to take necessary actions to maintain the proper working condition of the pump. In the initial stage of discharge, the segregating valve of the tank bottom line and the common line valve in the pump room are opened. This is to connect the pump suction from the tanks directly. However, when the oil level in the tank reaches about 3 meters from tank bottom, pump revolution should be reduced so as to maintain a positive suction pressure. Refer to the pump characteristic curve. Adjust delivery valve opening of the pump if necessary. As discharging work progresses, it will be difficult to maintain good pumping condition by only adjusting pump revolution and the delivery valve. Isolate all cargo lines to become independent lines by closing the common line valve and line segregation valve. Before closing the line segregating valve, confirm that the pump suction line is properly connected through the tank to the pump. Ensure that the pump revolution and the delivery valve are at a minimum before isolating the pump suction valve. In usual practice, line segregation valve is closed first. Then the common line valve will be closed according to the pumping condition of the cargo. Reduce or stop the pump according to the remaining quantity of the cargo in the tank.